Hello, plastic model builders. This is the Death Star 2 and the Star Destroyer from Bandai. So we're going to do a box break here really quickly. You know how this goes. Everything on the sides. It's a fun little model. They are to scale, of course, and they are very small. It's like a 1/270 billion scale. Anyway, so open up the box. See, we've got 3-part sprues in here and some stickers. Now you can work them out. And then we've got our instruction booklet. Very easy booklet right there. It's basically pulled out 2 pages. There's all the instructions. Simple. Turn it over. Got the back side, shows the parts. So we have right here part sprues A1 and A2, then A1 through A4, and B1, BM for the base, and the stickers. Very simple. Here's some things, show you a little bit of detail on this kit. That way you know whether or not you want to get it. And simple model. You can see it's colored plastic, just like it should be. Alright, let's get started on this model. Thank you for joining me. Remember, subscribe, comment, and like. And join me for the live preview. I talk about it. This is simple. Assemble the Death Star. I think they're like 19 pieces. I don't remember. But they're very thick pieces. It's well constructed. Just press down very carefully. I will let the rest of this model speak for itself, or I could babble the whole time. And I don't really think you feel like hearing me babble, but I could. Why not? Remember, I do have a Facebook page and a group. It's Plastic Model Builder on both of them. Come and find me. Not much to say. Then just subscribe and like. If you want to donate, you can do that too. I love donations. But you see this, the way this kit goes together, fairly simple. It has a bunch of little pins and boxes, as we call them, or holes and pegs. Everything fits nicely together. Got that small little one right there. I had a little bit of trouble figuring out where it goes. I did make it work. You can see this, everything is just, it's kind of compact. It's a neat little model to do. Doesn't take a lot of time. It took me about a half hour to do this. You see how everything goes together right there. Got your little nooks, crannies, and curves. This is a 3-piece part right here. You got to put this piece on top, and the other piece sit on the bottom. You see it's got the pegs right there. 3 of them. Goes together. Press firmly. Make sure it fits. That's the important thing. And then this slides into the middle of the Death Star. It's the trench. Well, not really the trench, because we know the equatorial trench goes on the top. People always forget that. They think it's in the middle, but it is not in the middle. It is on the top. Then again, what is considered the middle? It's a sphere. Anyway, that is the equator section of it all the way around. And here we're just putting some pieces. Remember, this is the Death Star 2, so that's why it looks incomplete, is because it was being assembled. I won't ruin the spoiler for you if you've never seen Return of the Jedi, in which this movie is featured in, but I advise watching it, and you can find out all about the Death Star 2 and how long it takes to build and other fun, fancy stuff. This is some good model making madness right here. Make it look pretty. That's what we're doing. You've got little cracks here that need to be, I glued them together best I could. Got our little sections right here. That's the middle. You see how well it goes together. Just press it in tight. Kit is virtually seamless. I will say that. There are a few of them. Might want to hide them if you choose to paint this kit. I just left it as is. A little project. I might go home, might weather it. Did you see I'm not really home when I'm doing this, but I did get something done, and I decided to give you a model to see. This kit also has the Star Destroyer, and we are going to show that to you later in a separate video. So don't forget to watch that one. We've got our bottom piece. We're getting down to finishing this. Got the top piece. lot of fun little pieces for this kit. They did a good job, Bandai, making this. So you just got to make sure you press everything together firmly so it all meets up with its joints. You see it's starting to look like something. It's definitely looking like a Death Star. We've got our super death laser piece that goes right there, as they want to call the death laser. If you've never seen Rogue One, it's all about the development of the death laser and the plans for it and how to destroy the Death Star if it can ever be done. You see that scene right there? That's one that I'm talking about. A little hard to hide, but that's okay. I know you will manage, and you will make this thing look really good. If you want to weather it, you can do that too. Highlight some of its features. It's got a little base to it that you can stand on the Death Star. There it is. I believe that wraps up completing the Death Star. Just fill in all these little seams that you see. Got our base, got a little sticker for it. The Death Star 2, of course. Make sure you put the right sticker on. I did, or at least I tried to. Anyway, this is it right here. The Death Star, 1 in 270,000 scale, I think, or 227 million. But that's it for a review. It's a very good kit. Like I said, about 20 pieces or so. Molded in this gray color that you see. Goes together fairly easy. A couple of seams. It's a very inexpensive kit. It comes with the Star Destroyer as well. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And as always, until next time, see ya.